Chris Valley on approach.
Yeah. I bet it's under 5.
Or he's setting up.
I love the guy on the Falcon, the one that was going to come here and get a sled ride today. He's been up for like 2.5 hours.
Yeah. Hey!
It's over. He'll never want to fly anywhere else.
And it's like this every day, alright?
Every day.
All except for all the other days.
Some explosions in the mine. Did you read about that?
What you got, Chris?
Okay.
Yeah, he's pissed. Horses, horses, horses. Come on, Chris.
Are those directions?
Yes.
Yeah.
He's retarded.
The wind direction's all over the place.
Yeah. Just fly in circles until you touch down.
Look at this guy. Acts like he knows what he's doing.
Yahoo!
Land over here.
No, he isn't. He is. He sure is.
Dirty bastard changed up on us.
Oh, fuck. He dove it in there.
Got it perfect.
Yes!
Thank God for the carbon fiber stinger.
That was fucking awesome, dude. Love the dive at the end. That was sweet.
Oh. Is that not some sweet air?
It was, wasn't it? Feels good to land because you want to, huh?
What's that?
Feels good to land because you want to.
Yeah. I didn't see that horse there. There was the horse coming down the chute and I wanted to avoid it, and I saw her at the last minute.
Oh, shit.
Hope I didn't startle the horse.
No, he's just pissed because the other horse is going for a walk and he's not. Good job, dude. Fucking sweet.
McClure 2012. It's going to be good.
Hell yes.